Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Windows icon font color. So for that you have to just simply click on any of the you guys can see here is the Windows icons, and here are the fonts which is used in icons. So if you want to change the color of the fonts, so it's not possible, but you guys can change the complete theme of your Windows. So for that you have to just simply click on right click on the any of the your desktop, and after that you have to just simply click on personalize. So after clicking on personalize, now you have to just simply go to above section. Here you will be able to see the themes, so you have to just simply click on these themes. So after that you have to just simply select any of the theme according to your needs. So I'm just selecting, assume that this one. So after changing the theme, you guys will be able to see all of the interface of the Windows will be changed. But in order to change the font color, you guys can use any third-party software or application in order to change the font color. But you guys can change the themes by just selecting any of the theme according to your need, or you guys can just simply click on contrast themes and you guys can select any of the contrast theme. And the only way to change the font color by just changing the theme, like if you use this desert theme, all of the white color will be converted into black. So it is the only way to change the font color theme on your desktop. But if you want to change without changing the contrast theme, then you guys must have to just install any of the third-party application, and you guys can in this way change the font color on desktop icon. So I hope this methods find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.